हे गाइस, दिस इज कंकोना। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज मैं आपके साथ एक नायका हॉल शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू सी व्हाट आई गॉट फ्रॉम नायका दिस टाइम, देन कीप ऑन वॉचिंग द फुल वीडियो। सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना बिकॉज इट वुड मीन द एब्सोल्यूट वर्ल्ड टू मी। बेल बटन क्लिक करना मत भूलिएगा, तो फिर फ्यूचर में आप मेरा हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहेगा। यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। आई एम क्रिएटिंग डिफरेंट कॉन्टेंट्स देयर एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। What I got is this Nykaa Skin Potion Anti-Pigmentation Facial Oil. This is for me because I have pigmentation in some parts of my face. So its price is ₹6.99. इससे पहले मैंने अपने मम्मी के लिए एंटी एजिंग वाला लिया था and she's quite liking it. I will do the review afterwards. पर मैंने इस बार मेरे लिए ये वाला एंटी पिगमेंटेशन वाला लिया. Okay, then I have a hand sanitizer from Lifebuoy because this is the new normal. Then I have two face wash from Mamaearth because every YouTuber is raving about this face washes, so I wanted to try this one. So the first face wash that I have is the Tree face wash. This is rupees. Its price is ₹249, and the second one I have this vitamin C face wash with vitamin C and turmeric, and its price is also ₹249. Then I have another face wash from Jovis. This is also a tea tree face wash. This is tea tree oil clear face wash, and its price is ₹145. Then I have another face wash. This is from Khadi Natural. This is herbal face wash, Khadi Neem and Tulsi, and this is for acne prone skin, and its price is ₹175. Then I have few makeup products, not few actually, a lot of lipsticks, huge amount of lipsticks. So the first thing that I want to show you is a blush. This is a Blue Heaven blush on, and its price is ₹125. और इसका swatch मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. This is how the color looks like. It's a purple pink mixed color, and this is how the swatch comes. Not a very pigmented blush, पर blush के लिए वही अच्छा है. ज्यादा pigmented अच्छा नहीं होता है, and I don't really want to use a purple color on my face. So yeah, it's a nice color. Okay, so then I have few nail polishes. Let me first solve the nail polishes, then I'll move on to the lipsticks. So I have 5 L18. Color name is not mentioned, I guess, but this is how the color looks like. Neon green kind of a color, and its price is ₹55. Every nail polish's price is 55. Then I got this blue, this kind of a different kind of a blue, so its price is also ₹55. Then I got this green color. This is a kind of a algae green color. Then I got this red color. Then I got this yellow color. Okay, so I think we are done with the nail polishes. No, I also have this TS Cosmetics nail polishes. This is a gift for me, and its price is around 85 or something. I don't really know. Yeah, 85. TS Cosmetics lipstick nail polish. Okay, so let's move on to the lipstick. The first lipstick that I have is this Maybelline the Loaded Balls by Color Sensational, and this shade is fuchsia, and this shade is Fierce Fuchsia. Let me swatch it and tell you. So this is how the shade looks like, a very nice fuchsia pink color. Then I have a lipstick from Swiss Beauty, and its shade name is S18. And this is how the swatch looks like, a pinky rosy color. Then I have three L18 lipsticks. The first color is The first color is prom pink. So this is how it looks like. It's not a pink color, it's a coral color. I don't know why they named it prom pink. Then I have this shade. This is code red. This is a nice maroon shade. Then I have this color. This is Nude Fix, and this is a very nice, very nice brown nude shade. Okay, then I have two lipsticks from the Nykaa Matte to Last mini lipsticks. So the first one is Goa Hottie, and its price is rupees I don't know its price. Its price was around rupees 199 or 250 something. So this is how Goa Hottie looks like. And very nice brown color for dusky skin tone. This one. Then I have Madras Kapi, which is a very famous shade, and Mridul Sharma loves it. So from her recommendation I got this shade. This is a very nice brown color. So this is how it looks like. And the L18 price is rupees 100 each. Okay, so then I have two lipsticks from this Nykaa So Matte Mini. One is the shade Mulled Wine, and the second is the shade Notorious Red. And each of the price, I don't know. The price is not really mentioned anywhere. It was around like 250 or something, I don't know. And this is really mini, and this is the shade. This is the shade Mulled Wine. It is a very nice wine color. Then I have the shade Notorious Red. And this is kind of a pinky red color, pinkish red color. Okay, then I have three lipsticks from L18. So the first shade that I have is 09. So this is how 09 looks like, a pinkish red color. Then I have two same shades, and both of them are from both of them are 10, and one is for me and one is for one of my friend whose birthday is nearby, so I got that for her. So this is a pure red color. Really loved it. So both the shades are same. Then I have one lipstick from Nika K. This is the True Matte lipstick in the shade I forgot the shade. It's such a famous shade. Okay, it's in the shade Turkish Rose. So this is how Turkish Rose looks like, a very muted brownish pink mixed rose color. Then I have one lipsticks from the Insight Cosmetics. Okay, so the Blue Heaven lipsticks costed me rupees. The Blue Heaven lipstick costed me rupees 115 or something, and the Nika K lipstick costed me rupees 395. Then I have this from Insight Cosmetics. This is Coffee Command, and its price is just rupees 75. just rupees 75. So I don't have any space to swatch. So this is how it looks like, a brown color. Very, very nice color. Then I have one lipstick from Maybelline. This is from their Maybelline brown collection जो एक निकला था ना, brown, सिर्फ brown, brown and brown. So this is in the shade Noho Amber, and this is how it looks like, a brownish red color. And it costed me around 300 or 400, I don't remember. Then I have another lipstick from Blue Heaven, and this is their Gossip matte lipstick, and its price is rupees 150. And it is really matte. This is how the color looks like, a really pink color. Okay, so this box, we are done with this box. Let's move on to the next box. Next box, the first thing that I have is this Blossom Couture Aroma Magic Activated Bamboo Charcoal Face Wash, and its price is rupees 210. Then I have this Simple Micellar Cleansing Wipes, and its price is rupees 325. Then I have another thing from Simple. This is the Simple Kind to Skin Micellar Cleansing Water, and its price is rupees 375. Then I have this body lotion from Himalaya. This is the Clear Complexion Brightening Body Lotion, and its price is rupees 95. Then I have one face mask from Mamaearth. This is the Neem face mask, and its price is rupees 499. Then I have another body lotion from Biotique, and this is the Bio Creamy Coconut Body Lotion, and its price is rupees 99. The packaging is really cute. Then I have another face wash from Vadi Herbals. This is the Anti-Acne Neem face wash with tea tree extracts, and its price is rupees just 69. Then I have another nail polish from TS Cosmetics. This is also for gifting purpose for one of my girlfriend, and its price is rupees 85. A really nice nudish pink color, really like it. Then I have few sheet marks from Lakme, and also two sheet marks from Simple. So the first sheet marks from Simple is the Detox sheet marks, and its price is rupees 150. And the second sheet marks from Simple is the Pollution Protect sheet marks, and its price is also rupees 150. So the first sheet marks that I have is this Lakme Blush and Glow Fruitylicious sheet marks. This is in the various lemon, and its price is rupees 100. Then I have two strawberry sheet marks, and also every sheet marks is priced rupees 100. So I have two strawberry sheet marks. Then I have one watermelon sheet marks. Then I have one pomegranate sheet marks. Then I have two kiwi sheet marks. Then I have another lemon sheet marks. So that was all for the haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I purchased a lot of makeup products this time, a lot of lipstick as you can see, and a lot of skincare as well. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. It's a request from my side. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's all for the video. Bye!